I'm here with a Jimmy Dean frozen breakfast sandwich and my Dash mini pie maker. The question is, can I cook this frozen breakfast sandwich in this mini pie maker? Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I'm having a really hectic morning and I need to eat some breakfast before I leave the house, but I still have a lot of other things I need to get done before I can leave the house. So I thought, let me just make one of these frozen breakfast sandwiches really fast. I had this in my freezer. This is from the Dollar Tree. I believe it was like $1.25 or $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. So I thought, well, let me see if I could just cook this really quickly in my Dash mini pie maker. So I have the mini pie maker heating up. The blue light is on. And this is what the inside of the pie maker looks like. I think this will fit. I mean, it might be a tight fit, but let's see if it'll fit. Here's the frozen breakfast sandwich. And with this one, I think the cheese is centered better. Actually, look, I can move it around. It's not all stuck together. These are all like individual pieces. So let's see. Is it gonna fit? It barely fits. Is the top gonna go on? There's no way the top is going to close, but it sort of fits. So I'm gonna cook this for, I don't know, like 8 minutes, and then I'll be back. If we take a look from the side view, you could see that it doesn't really fit. It's kind of wonky in there. It's like half in, half out. So we'll just see how it cooks. It's been 8 minutes now. Let's see what's going on here. Look how dark the top of that got. I just grabbed a plate. Now, is this all in? Okay, so the cheese is melted and it's all kind of stuck together now. Okay, so here's the bottom. The bottom doesn't look bad. It's the top. So here's the breakfast sandwich, but let's see, is it even cooked all the way through? Let me get a knife. Let's see if I could cut this in half. Okay, so the croissant part of it is definitely crispy. And if we touch the inside, like the sausage is ice cold. It's totally cold. But the bread on the outside is hot. So I was thinking maybe I could just take the bottom croissant off. But it's like stuck. Yeah, this is getting really messy. So the sausage itself is cold, but the croissant part is really hot. The cheese is melted. And it is edible. And the package says that these are fully cooked. So I don't have to worry about bringing it up to temperature because it's fully cooked. So is it a good idea to cook one of these frozen breakfast sandwiches in the Dash mini pie maker? Definitely not. They don't come out very good. But can it be done? Can you heat up one of these breakfast sandwiches to a point where you can eat it and enjoy it? Yeah, you can. If all you have is a Dash mini pie maker, you can actually heat up one of these sandwiches. It's not going to come out good. It's going to be like burnt and the inside's going to be cold in areas, but it can be done. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.